putting as BIEE Publisher. BIEE Publisher. Okay. So first we'll go BIEE Publisher with 10G version. Okay, we'll see what are the things we can do in BIEE Publisher 10G. Once it is completed, we'll go for the BIEE 11G version. Totally it is going to take 4 hours or 5 hours of time it is going to take. We are going to finish today. Okay. Right. BIEE Publisher 10G. Put it in as BIEE 10G. BIEE 10G. BIEE 10G. Right. We have in our hand OBIEE tool is available. Using this one, we can develop n number of reports we can develop. Still, this BIEE Publisher 10G, why it is came into the picture, we need to understand. Actually, we know already OBIEE is came from the Sybil Analytics tool, right? When it was Sybil Analytics, there is no concept of BIEE Publisher. Okay, BIEE Publisher tool was known as XML Publisher. XML Publisher. This tool is used for PeopleSoft or Oracle Labs. These are the OLTP systems are available. From the OLTP systems, if you want to generate reports, then this XML Publisher used to use it. Then what happened is Oracle guy acquired the Sybil Analytics. Thereafter, why to keep this also reporting purpose only, right? Why can't we can integrate this XML Publisher also with existing Sybil Analytics? That's what the line he thought, and he come up with the XML Publisher renamed as BIEE Publisher and integrate with the OBIEE. That is the reason still in the market, so many projects are available which are executing only on the BIEE Publisher. Okay, and combination OBIEE, BIEE Publisher combination projects are very, very less. I can say 2 or 3% of the projects only going on OBIEE and BIEE Publisher. Tomorrow, if you want to put experience on the BIEE Publisher also, try to put only in one project, exposure on 10 or 12 reports on the BIEE Publisher. Suppose you are putting 3 projects, you are putting 2 projects dedicated on the OBIEE, only in one project, involve BIEE Publisher and say like, yes, I have some of the 10 reports I developed using BIEE Publisher. Remaining all reports we developed using OBIEE. Like that, you need to provide your experience on the BIEE. Am I clear? Right. First point, BIEE was known as XML Publisher. BIEE was known as XML Publisher. Next point. XML Publisher mainly used to develop reports from OLTP databases corresponding to Oracle ERPs or CRMs. Oracle ERPs in the bracket, PeopleSoft, Oracle R12, that is EBS, nothing but Oracle R12, that is EBS. Next, JD Edwards, and CRMs in the bracket, Sybil. Okay, Oracle ERPs in the bracket, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Oracle R12, that is also called as EBS, and CRMs, that is Sybil. Next. After Oracle acquired Sybil Analytics, after Oracle acquired Sybil Analytics, Sibyl Analytics, integrated XML publisher, integrated XML publisher, integrated XML publisher, integrated XML publisher with OBIEE, and he renamed as BI Publisher, BI Publisher. Next point. BI Publisher understands XML language. That means whatever input you give, that input first will convert into the XML format, then you'll try to understand that XML. Initially, there is a reason it is called as XML Publisher, right? XML Publisher, right? Next, using BI Publisher, we can develop pixel formatting reports. PIXEL, pixel formatting reports, and standard reports, in the brackets of the standard reports you can write as invoice bills, salary slips, etc. Even today, next point. Even today, we can purchase BI Publisher license. Even today, we can purchase BI Publisher license, independently or integrated with OBIEE. Integrated with OBIEE. Right. Putting as BI Publisher, desktop installation. BI Publisher desktop installation. Step 1. Setting the environment. Okay. Load reports underscore dashboards RPD of rritec. Load reports underscore dashboards. Load reports underscore dashboards RPD of rritec. RPD of rritec into Oracle BI server. into Oracle BA server. Load reports underscore dashboards RPD of rritec into Oracle BA server. Oracle BA server. Step 2. Step 2. Installing BIP. Installing BIP desktop. Installing BIP desktop. Installing BIP desktop. BIP. BA Publisher. BIP means BA Publisher. Right. Open Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer. Type HTTP localhost 9704 / XMLP server / XMLP server / XMLP server. Enter. 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 Your reports underscore dashboards RPD username is what, sir? Administrator, and password is what, sir? We know that one. What is the password, sir? Administrator only. So yes, sir. Provide username and password as administrator. Provide username and password as administrator. Provide username and password as administrator. One more small point here. If this page, we typed the URL here, but it is not opening, then what is the problem, sir? Your Oracle BA presentation server, okay, your Oracle BA server, everything must be running in position, yes or no, sir? Including the web server. In case of OBIEE 10G, what is the web server? By default, web server is what, sir? OC4G, the OC4G must be running. If you see that is already running, whenever you switch on your CPU, automatically that is running. Okay, right. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. Click on shared folders. Click on shared folders. Click on shared folders. Under developer tools. Under developer tools. Under developer tools. Under developer tools. Click on template builder. Click on template builder. Click on template builder. Click on template builder. Click on run. Click on template builder. Click on run. Click on run. Click on run. Again run. Click on run. Again run. So for me, it is already installed. The resident saying as well, sir, do you want me to uninstall? It is asking. As of now, I don't want to uninstall. I am clicking on the cancel. What all you need to do is, you'll get the next options you'll get. Keep on, click on next. You need not do any other job. Okay. Only keep on, click on next. Right, sir? Keep on, click on next. Keep on, click on next. Okay. Below that one, possible errors. In installation, possible errors. In installation, possible errors. In installation, possible errors. Two errors possible, sir. What is, if we see, suppose my MS Word is open, and I am doing this job. Then we'll throw error by saying, please close your MS Word or any MS Office plugins are available. The reason behind is it's trying to create one menu that is called as add-ins menu trying to create here. If the MS Word is open, it cannot create the add-ins program. That is the one possible reason. Second possible reason is we have the Java runtime environment is available. For that, JRE file is required. With the installation only it will be installed, but proper version is not available or something it is corrupted. In that scenarios, it also throw by saying Java runtime environment is not available. At that moment, we need to install what, sir? Java runtime environment. There is a small file. Even in the Google, you can type same Java runtime environment. You can download and you can install and you can do the same process. These are the two possible errors what you'll get. Okay? Right, sir. If any MS Word is open, then it will throw error. Then it will throw error. We need to close and we need to close and we need to do installation. We need to close and we need to do installation. We need to close and we need to do installation. We need to close and we need to do installation. Next, second. If it throws Java runtime environment error, if it throws Java runtime environment error, then we need to install JRE file. Then install BIP. 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 Next point. Post installation checkup. Post installation confirmation. 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 Number 1. In start all programs. In start all programs. In start all programs. We must have Oracle BA Publisher Desktop. We must have Oracle BA Publisher Desktop. We must have Oracle BA Publisher Desktop. Second, if you open MS Word, we should see add-ins button. We should see add-ins button. Add-ins button. Third, if you go to control panel, add or remove programs, add or remove programs, add or remove programs. There we can find one program. 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 Could you move and Samira? What's it move? There we can find one program. Oracle BA Publisher Desktop. There we can find a program, Oracle BA Publisher Desktop. Oracle BA Publisher Desktop. Okay, with this we completed Oracle BA Publisher Desktop, sir. Actually, whatever I opened, this BIP portal I opened, right? This BIP portal will be installed with the installation of OBIEE only, sir. You need not do anything. With the installation of OBIEE, automatically the portal will be installed. Only thing we are installing is what, sir? Only desktop we are installing. That means MS Word plugin we are installing. That's it. MS Word plugin only we are installing. By default, BA Publish is what, sir? With the installation of OBIEE, it came already. That is the reason, without doing anything, if I type URL HTTP localhost 9704 XMLP server, I am able to see that or not, sir? Why you are typing XMLP server is previously it was known as XML Publisher. Okay, that is the reason XMLP. XMLP stands for XML Publisher Server. XML Publisher Server. That is what the meaning. Am I clear? Right. Okay, with that one part is completed. Next, second one. These all things are part of the installation only, right? Okay. Second one. Configuring desktop for BIP. Sorry, configuring database for BIP. Configuring database for BIP. Configuring database for BIP. Configuring database for BIP. Right. Open BA Publisher portal. 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 Click on admin tab. You know already username, password is administrator, sign in, these all things you know, sir. Okay. Click on admin tab. Under data sources, don't leave any chairs in between, sir. Okay, just come forward. We have this lot of space here. Yes, don't leave any chairs in between. Okay, just move forward, just one step forward, sir. So 7. Don't leave any chairs in between. So 7 means 7 you need to come, sir. 7:28 if you became like this when it happens. Right. Under data sources, click on JDBC connections. Click on JDBC connection. Click on JDBC connection. Click on JDBC connection. You are seeing here Oracle BWE demo. You are seeing, right? These two things by default you will see with the installation only, sir. But thing is, here localhost 1521 ORCL I configured. Okay, by default you will see here localhost. Here we will see the host name. Then we will see here what, sir? Port number. You will see the SID. General syntax will come into the picture. These things I configured as for my system. Suppose if you want to configure your own data source, you want to configure, then you can go for what, sir? Add data source. I modified the existing demo data source, right? If you want to configure your own thing, you can go ahead and you can configure your own data source also. Right. Click on add data source. Click on add data source. Click on add data source. Provide data source name as B179. Provide data source name as B179. Driver type as Oracle 10G. Because we are learning OBIEE 10G. OBIEE 10G will be installed on top of Oracle 10G database. Driver type as Oracle 10G. Connection string. See, sir, here by default is given as host port SID, right? This host is nothing but where your OBIEE installed, that computer name we need to write, or else local host you can write. So I am writing here localhost. Next, port number. By default, Oracle will be installed in a port that is called as 1521. Next, SID. SID is nothing but our database name, that is nothing but ORCL. Right, sir? Connection string. Connection string. JDBC Oracle thin @localhost :1521 :ORCL. Username OE. Password also OE. Password OE. Click on test connection. Click on test connection. Click on test connection. Click on test connection. If this connection is failed, then possible reason might be whatever user you are providing here, with that user we are not able to log into the database. At that moment, you need to go to SQL Plus and you need to verify really am I able to log into the database or not. SQL Plus. Then try to connect using OE @ORCL, enter OE. I am able to connect or not, sir? So if you face any problem, we need to try to connect using SQL Plus using same username and password. Then any problems are available, like possible problems are user is locked out. Second possible problem is user password was expired. This kind of possible things may be coming into the picture, or your password is wrong. Then we need to reset the password to the OE and we need to unlock the user ID. These are the possible reasons. Am I clear? Right. Okay, as of now, if people understand that one, click on test connection, then click on apply. Okay, what is that? In the driver type? In the driver type, whatever driver you want to select, you can select it. Based on your database. If you are using your database as SQL Server, then you need to select here SQL Server corresponding things you need to select here. Each and every database will have its own port numbers and all that. We need to go on, we need to know that one. Sorry? Yeah. Okay, this database whoever is installed, that guy will give the port numbers and all. We need to get that from. Okay. Right. So each and every database will have one separate port numbers. Teradata, Netezza, okay, times 10. Okay, these all things, different databases are available. Okay, right. Okay. With this, we completed configuring the database. Next, third one, configuring scheduler database. Third one, configuring scheduler database. Configuring scheduler database. Down the line, if you developed BIP report, you want to schedule that report means the information whatever you given the schedule by saying every day morning 9 o'clock you need to run this report. This information somewhere it has to show or not, sir? Where it is going to store, sir? Database. So database I need to configure or not? I need to configure. That's what we are going to do now. Right, sir. Open BIP portal. Open BIP portal. Open BIP portal. Open BIP portal. Go to admin tab. Go to admin tab. Under system maintenance. Under system maintenance. Under system maintenance. Click on scheduler configuration. Click on scheduler configuration. Click on scheduler configuration. Click on scheduler configuration. Write these all things as usual previously whatever we written, sir. Database type, okay, Oracle 10G. Database type Oracle 10G. Next, connection string JDBC Oracle thin localhost 1521. Username OE, password OE, database driver class. Click on test connection. Click on test connection. Password also OE only. Password also OE only, but automatically system will decode as some big letters. Okay, password is OE only. This OE, SH, HR, these all are predefined schemas which will be installed with the Oracle database installation. But while installing the Oracle database, we have an option that is called as sample schemas option is available, sir. That if you enable, then only this will be installed. At the time of installation, if you didn't enable the sample schemas option, then OE, HR, SH, these all things will not be installed. Only SCOT will be installed. Am I clear? By default is what, sir? SCOT will be installed, but these all things, SH, HR, OE, these things will be installed whenever you enable the sample schemas option. Okay? Right. Click on test connection. Click on install schema. Click on install schema. Click on install schema. Click on apply. Click on apply. Click on apply. Click on apply. See the tips are what is that? Any changes will only take effect after the application is restarted. So whatever you did here, those all things need to be reflect means what we need to do, sir? Restart all our servers. Okay, next step. Restart all OBIEE servers. Restart all OBIEE servers. Restart all OBIEE servers. Inside the brackets 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means what, sir? In our case it is OC4J. In our case it is OC4J. Right. Okay, that is completed. Next, fourth one. Observing OBIEE integration. Observing OBIEE integration. Observing OBIEE integration. Observing OBIEE integration. See, sir, if you go for same portal, admin tab, under this one we have one thing that is called as integration is available. BAP is not only integratable with OBIEE, sir, it also can be integratable with the Oracle OBIEE Discoverer. Oracle OBIEE Discoverer also one of the reporting tool of the Oracle guy. Next, it also can be integrated with what, sir? IPDN and Oracle Smart Space, everything to be integratable. As of now, our interest is to integrate with the Oracle OBIEE, that is Oracle BA presentation services. If you click on that one, it's taking all the information of the your analytics. Your analytics server name is what, sir? rritec. Port number is 9704. Username, and also it's taking the URL suffix is what, sir? Analytics. Am I clear? Right, sir. Right, sir. Open BAP portal. Click on admin tab. Click on admin tab. Under integrations, Click on Oracle BI Presentation Services. Click on Oracle BI Presentation Services. Oracle BI Presentation Services. And observe all the parameters. 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 Okay. Down the line, if any requirement is came, if you want to integrate with Oracle BI Discoverer, we need to understand where Oracle BI Discoverer is installed, server name, and what is the port number, what is the URL. Those all things we need to know, and we need to put over here so that we can access the Oracle BI Discoverer report as input for the BAP. Now down the line, we can use OBIEE report as input of the BAP because we integrated the OBIEE with the BAP. Am I clear? Right. So these are the 4 free requests if you want to start our OBIEE work, sir. Okay. Next, put it in as BAP development. BAP development. Mainly we have 3 types of development. Mainly we have 3 types of mainly we have 3 types of developments. Number 1. Number 1. Developing BAP report using database. Developing BAP report using database. Developing BAP report using database. Using database. Number 2. Ditto and in the end right using OBIEE report. Using OBIEE report. Using OBIEE report. What's that? Ditto you written? No, right? Okay. Just same as I mean to say. Okay, right. Third one. Using subject area. Using subject area. So these are the 3 methodologies available, sir. First methodology is common for any BAP resource, sir. Any BAP resource, that is common area. If you say I am working with the BAP independently, I am working with the BAP independently, then I must know what, sir? The first development area. If you say I am working with the BAP, I can work with the BAP independently, or I can work with BAP with the OBIEE integration, then I need to know what, sir? 3 things I need to know. Second method and third method is corresponding to our OBIEE, guys. Okay, first method is common for OBIEE integrated product, or it may be only BAP product. Okay, right. First method, put it in as developing BAP report using database. First development area, developing BAP report using database. Using database. Right. Using database. Step 1. Creating BAP data model. Creating BAP data model. Creating BAP data model. Data model is nothing but an SQL query, sir. What you are going to create? One SQL query you are going to create here. Right. Okay. Open BAP portal. Open BAP portal. Open BAP portal. Click on shared folders. Click on shared folders. Open BIP portal. Click on shared folders. By default, you will see the shared folders only, right? Click on shared folders. Under folder and report tasks. Under folder and report tasks. Under folder and report tasks. Click on create a new folder. Click on create a new folder. Click on create a new folder. Click on create a new folder and name it as B179. Name it as B179. Click on create. Click on create. Click on B179 folder. Click on B179 folder. Click on B179 folder. Click on B179 folder. Under folder and report tasks. 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 Click on create a new report. 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 Name it as from database. Name it as from database. Name it as from database. Click on create. Name it as from database. Click on create. Click on create. Click on create. Click on create. Now we created one empty BIP report we created, sir. We created empty BIP report we created. Okay. If you go inside this one, let us say I am going for the view. Okay. It's saying sir, nothing is available. Yes or no? Right. Let us say if you go for the B179, now I need to do what, sir? I need to edit and I need to incorporate the data model in this one, right? Right. Under BIP report object, 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 click on edit, 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 click on edit. Now we want to create the data model, right? Yes or no, sir? Right. If you go for under report, I have what, sir? Data model option is available. Data model option is available. If I select this data model option, then it is asking me to create what, sir? New. Similarly, down the line, we need to understand what, sir? List of values, parameters, layouts, bar string. All these options we need to understand one by one. As part of the course, first we are going for data model. Okay, we know already data model is nothing but one SQL query, right? To create that one, click on new. Right, it's saying as click on the new button in the toolbar to create new data set definition. Data set is nothing but data set or data model all are together. What's our SQL query only. So I'm trying to click on this new. So it is giving as a add new item option. Whenever I clicked on the new, it is giving under data set. We are seeing here as by default name is what, sir? New data set 1 we are seeing. Okay, now this name whatever you want to give, you can give it. Let us say I am giving the name as HR data I am giving. Please write simultaneously. Under report, come front, madam. Come in this way. Whoever is not able to see back, you can come front. Okay. Under report, click on data model, click on new, 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 click on new. Under general settings, 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 provide name as HR data. Under general settings, provide name as HR data. Provide name as HR data. Your type is there, right? Type will be your data set source. Your data set source may be anything, sir. Most of the times, 99% will use SQL query. But there are chances, if you want, you can use any one of these things. Suppose if you want to use one file as a input, you can go ahead and you can use the file. Suppose you want to use, let us say, your Oracle BA answer, that is your OBIEE. You can go and you can use what, sir? Oracle BA answers also you can use that. Report you can point out here. Whenever I selected Oracle BA answer, it's asking what, sir? Tell me what is the report I want to point out. Okay. Suppose if I want to go for, let us say tomorrow, Oracle BA Discoverer, that also we can go and we can give the connection is what? What is the worksheet? Okay. And here we have, let us say file, any one file you want to point out, demos, data source, okay, demo files, and we want to give some file name, we can give it. Okay. Right. And one more thing is, if you want to point to the file, we need to configure the files also, sir. Previously we configured only what, sir? Database we configured. Files we didn't configure. If you want to go for the files, what we need to do is, as of now I am saving this one as it is, like this. Now I am going for admin tab. If you go and see here, under data sources, we have what, sir? File option is available. You need to click on that file option. Then go for the demo files. We need to point out the path where the files are available. We are putting our notepad, right? That notepad is available somewhere in the hard disk. That hard disk path we need to project here. You got my point? Okay. As of now, most of the times we won't go with the files or any other things. We'll go most of the times what, sir? SQL server only. That is the reason my main focus is on SQL server. Let us go for reports. Then shared folders, B179, edit. This is what the HR data what we created. My intention is I want to go with the SQL query. Right, sir. Select type as SQL query. Select type as SQL query. Select type as SQL query. Under details, select second radio button. Under details, select second radio button. And B179 data source. B179 data source. B179 data source. B179 data source. If you are good in writing queries, you can write your own query in this place, sir. Or if you have already existing query somewhere, it is available. Someone written the query, that query is readily available. You can copy and paste here directly. If you don't know how to write the queries properly, then you can take help of Query Builder is available. It is going to guide you how to create the queries and all. Okay, right. Under SQL query, click on Query Builder. Under SQL query, click on Query Builder. Under SQL query, click on Query Builder. Click on Query Builder. Click on query builder. Click on query builder. So we given database, what is the schema we pointed, sir? OBIEE schema we pointed, right? That is the reason by default what is showing? OBIEE is showing. And also OBIEE has access to whatever other schemas. OBIEE has access to whatever other schemas. Those all schemas also we can see in the drop down. Suppose at the moment of creating my data source, if I given Scott, then what, sir? Scott has whatever schemas access, those things only will appear here. Like in our OBIEE 11G, while you're importing the tables, if I given supplier to supplier 2, we are able to see Scott everything. But if I given Scott over there, can you able to see supplier 2, sir? No. Why? Because Scott has no access to supplier 2. Similar funda is applied here also. Okay, while you're creating data source, whatever user you given, that user have access to whatever things, those things only we're able to see it. Am I clear? Right. Now, as of now, I'm going with the HR schema. Then click on employees and departments tables. Right, sir. Select HR schema. Select HR schema. Select HR schema. Select HR schema. Click on employees. Click on employees and departments table. 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 Departments table. Click on employees and departments table. Table. Select first name, last name, job ID, salary, department name. Select first name, last name. Select first name, last name, job ID, salary, department name. Select first name, last name, job ID, salary, department name. Department name. You see here 3 columns are available, right? First column is nothing but column names. Second column is what, sir? Data types. A stands for what, sir? Alphanumeric. This calendar symbol stands for date column. This is stands for, it is a numeric one, number. Now I want to, third column is available. This third column is for the purpose of what, sir? What is the tooltip coming? Click here to select column for join. So if I want to join the department ID here, then I need to click in the third column of the row, like this. Now automatically here what happens, sir? EQ join is created, employees.department ID is equal to departments.department ID is created. Okay, right, sir. Next step. In department ID row, this is I am calling as row, sir. In department ID row, click on third column. Click on third column in both the tables. Click on third column in both the tables and make sure join is created. 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 Make sure join is created. Join is created. Right. If you want to put any conditions, let us say on filter condition, if you want to put it, what you can do, sir? You can go to the conditions tab. There you can define here whatever condition you want. Let us say I want to say department name is equal to, okay, let us say sales I want to put it. Okay, if I go here SQL, you can see the SQL how it is coming, sir. As you written the SQL query, it is coming, right? Right. So whatever condition if you want to define that condition, you can define it. As of now I am not going with any condition. I am deleting it here. The next is what, sir? SQL, if you want to see whatever work you did for that one, what is SQL is available, that SQL you can see it. Okay, it is just a guidance it is giving, so end of the day, this wizard is, query builder wizard is doing what, sir? It is creating a query for you. Now, if you want to see the result, it is properly created or not, if you want to see it, you can go ahead and you can see the results also. These are the 4 tabs, whatever available. Model is nothing but what are the tables you want, you can take that one, you can create the join. Second is conditions. If you want to create the where clause, this is nothing but what, sir? Where clause of your SQL query. Whatever where clause you want to design, you can design it. Third one is SQL. You can see the SQL of the your model and condition. Fourth one is results. What is the result? We'll get sample 10 records. You can see it. If you want to see the more records, you can go ahead and you can see the more records also. Okay. Once it is completed, click on save. Right, sir? Click on SQL and observe SQL query. Click on SQL. Click on SQL and observe SQL query. Click on SQL and observe SQL query. Click on results, observe sample output. Click on results and observe sample output. Click on results and observe sample output. Click on save. Click on save. Again 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 save. Click on view. Click on view. Again view. Click on view. Again view. Click on view. Again view. Right. Our OBIEE publisher previous name was what, sir? XML publisher. Whatever you give input, first will convert into what, sir? XML format will convert. You may be developed your data model using now SQL query developed, right? Down the line, if you develop your data model using your OBIEE report, or using your OBIEE Discoverer report, or using your file, or whatever source you use over there, using whatever source, you develop the data model will be converted into what, sir? XML format. Why? Because my XML publisher can understand only XML language. XML is one language or not, sir? Okay. That is the reason to convert into the XML format, try to understand from that. One disadvantage of the Bip 10G is half of the work will be carried in the web-based portal. This is portal or not, sir? Whatever we are doing. This is a portal only, yes or no? It is a web-based environment we are doing. Remaining half of the work we need to carry from local. That means say from MS Word. From MS Word we need to carry out. So that is the biggest disadvantage in case of 10G. In case of 11G, everything is web-based only, sir. Everything is web-based. That we come to understand slowly. Now, once you created the XML report here, this XML report we need to use as a input in MS Word. From the MS Word, we need to develop whatever reporting you want, you can develop it. That report, whatever you developed in the MS Word is called as one template. Is called as what, sir? One template. That template again you can publish into where, sir? Portal. You can publish into the portal. Okay, that's what we need to do. Now, that is the reason, next step, step 2. Step 1 is completed, sir. As of now, creating data model is completed. Step 2. Step 2. Creating BIP templates. Creating BIP templates. BIP report templates or templates, sir. Whatever you can call. Report templates or templates. Creating BIP templates. Creating BIP templates. Right. Open MS Word. Open MS Word. Everyone knows how to open MS Word, right? Yes. Open MS Word. MS Word. Click on add-ins. Click on add-ins. Click on add-ins. Click on add-ins. Click on Oracle BA Publisher. Click on Oracle BA Publisher. Click on log on. Click on log on. Click on log on. Click on log on. Username is what, sir? Administrator. Password is administrator. Username administrator. Password administrator. Password administrator. And we are opening BIP portal using one URL, right? That is this URL only or not, sir? That URL also, first time whenever you are opening MS Word, we need to provide that one, sir. In my case, already in the previous batches I executed. That is the reason already it is available. But in our case, first time we are working means you need to provide that URL. Don't type the URL. Already we have the URL. We open the portal, right? That portal URL only copy and paste here. But up to what, sir? XMLP server only we need to paste it. You got it, right? Right, sir. Report server. Report server. http:// localhost :9704 /XMLP server. /XMLP server. Login. Right. It is opened one window that is called as what, sir? Open template window. It is open, right? Then if you go for the shade folder, your workspace is available. Workspace is what, sir? BA Publisher. Down the line, if you want to use your OBIEE report as input, then you need to go for Oracle BA. Or if you want to use Discoverer report as an input, then you need to go for Discoverer. As of now, I am going for the BA Publisher report as a input to develop the template. So I am selecting Oracle Workspace as BA Publisher. If I go for the shared folders, then I have here B179. You can see here your report just now you created from database. Yes or no, sir? Right? In open template window, select workspace as BA Publisher. Select workspace as BA Publisher. Select workspace as BA Publisher. Expand shared folders. Expand shared folders. Expand shared folders. Select B179. Select B179. Select from database. 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 Click on open report. Click on open report. Click on open report. Click on open report. So this is what the MS Word came, right? Now if you see here, I have here insert is available and data is available, preview, these all things are there. We'll try to understand what is that one by one. Load means if I have XML file is available, that XML file I can use as input and I can develop the template. Suppose if you go for the insert, I have one thing that's what, sir? Field. If I click on the field, what you are seeing, sir, here? These all things just now we developed in the data model, yes or no, sir? So whenever you selected the report, that is automatically came here. Now, and I want to develop one table kind of thing, you can go for table and you can develop the table, or any chart if you want to develop, you can go for the chart or conditional formatting, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Then if you want to see the preview in whatever format, you can go for the previews. Then tools is available, validate the template is correct or not, okay, translate the template, something, extract data, export this one into somewhere, we can export it. Okay, help is, yes, you know help, what is that? Now, as you are going to work in the MS Word, even whatever kind of style you want to create, that kind of style you can create it. Yes or no, sir? Suppose I want to write the email kind of thing. Okay, let us say I am writing my own test. Hi, business analyst team. Hi, BA team. Please find employee salary breakup report. Something I given this kind of comment line. Below this one I want to provide one table, I want to provide it. For that I need to go for what, sir? Insert menu, then go for table wizard. Then automatically it is saying as please select your report format. You want table or form or free form. Again in the table wizard three things are offering, sir. Now I am going with the by default one, table and data set. Just now whatever we have the data set, keep it. Now these are the things whatever available. Click on those all things. Next what, sir? Click on next. If you want to group the data based on any one column, you can do it. I don't want to group anything. And if you want to do the sorting anything, you can go for the sorting also. Click on next. Finally it is asking if you want to put logical names. This first name, last name, job ID, these all things are what, sir? Physical names available, right? If you want to rename as something else, you can rename here also. Then click on finish. So that's how we are going to do it. Once you completed these all things also, if you, the later point of time, if you want to rename, you can double click on this one. Then we are going to get one window. Here you can data field is what, test to display, what you want to display. And what is the data type and what is the format, function, whatever, anything you want to apply, you can apply the functions. Okay, in the advanced tab, okay, any parameters are available, the parameters you can pass it. As of now, parameters are not there. Click on OK. Now, below this one, you can write whatever comments you want to write. Let us say thanks. Okay, Ram. Something I written like this. Okay, we completed this developing of one report or one template. Developing of one report or one template. This template I want to see in web-based environment. Yes or no, sir? This MS Word, where it is available, sir? In my local machine it is available. I want to see in web-based environment. How I can see that one? You need to publish this one to the BIP. Before publishing, I want to preview the data. Okay, preview template in what format, sir? Let us say PDF. If you want to preview the template or if you want to export this one into the BIP portal, first we need to save in the RTF format, risk test format. What is the format? RTF. If you click on the PDF, then it is asking what, sir? This function requires the document to be in risk test format. Okay, automatically it is asking you the option. If you click OK, you will be prompted to save the document as RTF file before BA Publisher continues. Click on OK. Then it is asking you want to save into the My Documents and format is what, sir? RTF file. It is not the MS Word format, sir. It is a RTF file format. What is the format? RTF file format. I am trying to click on save. It's saying as document already existed. Click on yes. Okay. Now if you go and see, the PDF format is available. Data is coming like this. Okay. This is what the preview, whatever it is coming. Now this one, if you want to publish, you can go for the Oracle BA Publisher. There I have upload template as. If I click on that one, it will be go to the BIP portal. Please write this one. In MS Word, type hi BA team. In MS Word, type hi BA team. In MS Word, type hi BA team, comma. Below that, please find EMP sal breakup, employee salary breakup report. Please find EMP SAN breakup report. Breakup report. Breakup report. Enter. 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 Go to the insert menu. Go to the insert menu of the BIP SAN, not the MS Word insert menu. Yeah, two insert menus are there. Insert menu of what, sir? BIP sub toolbar, sub menu bar, sorry. BIP sub menu bar this is main menu bar, that is MS Word menu bar. This is what, sir? BIP menu bar. Okay, right, sir. Click on insert menu. Click on insert menu, table wizard. Click on next. Again next. Click on double arrow mark. Click on double arrow mark. Click on double arrow mark. Click on next. Again next. Again next. Finish. 3 times next, sir. 3 times next, finish. Finish. So this is what one more thing I created. If you don't want this one, you can go ahead and you can delete this one. Now we completed developing this template, right? Now we want to see this one in the front end, right? For that we need to publish it, right, sir? Go to the Oracle OBIEE Publisher. Go to the Oracle OBIEE Publisher. Preview template. Preview template. Preview template. Preview template. Preview template. PDF. PDF. Preview template. PDF. 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 It will prompt you for what, sir? You want me to save in the RTF format or what? Okay. Click on OK. Right at that point. PDF. Click on OK. Click on save. Click on OK. Click on save. Click on OK. Click on save. Close PDF file. Close PDF file. Close PDF file. Go to Oracle OBIEE Publisher. Go to Oracle OBIEE Publisher. Upload template as. Upload template as. Upload template as. Provide template name as. Provide template name as. Provide template name as temp1. Provide template name as temp1. Click on OK. Again OK. Provide template name as temp1. Click on OK. Again OK. Observe here the template temp1 was added to the report from database. So from database is what, sir? Your BIP report. For that report, this temp1 is added. Let us go and validate that one. Really it is added or not. To validate that one, I am going to the BIP portal. Then whatever it is available here, I am trying to click again view. Sorry, it is not refresh. It has to refresh means what I need to do, sir? Go one step back again come forward. Now it is refreshed and we are seeing here what, sir? temp 1 we are seeing, and we are able to see the whatever you written over there, those all things are able to see it. Okay, half of the work we are doing here, then remaining half of the work we are doing from the MS4. Okay. Now, how many templates are available, sir, here? Only one template is available, right? If you want to create different views, I mean to say, one more chart I want to develop. There is one more way of seeing the data. Okay, that also you can develop as another template and you can publish to here. Am I clear? Right. Do that also. In the same thing, put one more heading as step 3. Developing another template. First of all, this one you observe the data, sir. This one you observe the data in your notes. Okay, write that one. Go to the BIP portal. Above that one, sir. Above that one. Go to the BIP portal. Go to BIP portal. Go to BIP portal. Navigate to B179 folder. Navigate to B179 folder. Under from database BIP report object. Under from database BIP report object. Click on view. Click on view. Click on view. Observe temp 1. Observe temp 1. Observe temp 1. Observe temp 1. Now put heading as developing another template. 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 If you want, I can delete this one. I don't want means for, sir. I can cut and I can delete it. Then I can change this as what, sir? Please find department wise SAL breakup report. Then below this one, what I want to project? I want to project here chart. I want to project. Let us go and we can do the same thing. Go to the insert menu and you can do it. Right, sir. Go to MS Word. Go to previous 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 MS Word. Change the subject line as please find department wise SAL breakup report. Change the subject line as please find department wise SAL breakup report. Change the subject line as please find department wise SAL breakup report. Click in the corner of the table. Some plus symbol used to come, right? Like that you need to click, sir. Click in the corner of the table. Click in the corner of the table. Click in the corner of the table. Right click, cut. Right click, cut. You can take it. Right click and cut. Right click and cut. Now go to insert menu. You can take new MS Word also. You can close this MS Word. You can open new MS Word, new page also. You can take it. Okay, but I am modifying the existing one only. Okay, right. You can go to the insert menu. Click on chart. Go to insert menu. Click on chart. Go to the insert menu. Click on chart. Select type as bar graph vertical. Select type as bar graph vertical. Bar graph vertical. Drag and drop department name onto labels. Drag and drop department name onto labels. Salary onto values. Department name onto labels. Salary onto values. Salary onto values. Salary onto values. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Go to Oracle OBIEE Publisher menu. Go to Oracle OBIEE Publisher menu. Click on Upload Template as. Click on Upload Template as. Click on Upload Template as. Name it as Temp2. Name it as Temp2. Click on OK. Again re-added to what, sir? From database. Again OK. Go to BIP portal. Go to BIP portal. Go to BIP portal. Go to BIP portal. Navigate to B179 folder. Navigate to B179 folder. Navigate to B179 folder. B179 folder. Under from database report object. Under from database report object. Click on view. Click on view. Select Temp2. Select Temp2. Select Temp2. Click on view. Select Temp2. Click on view. Observe output. Observe output. Note. Note. Tell me, template 1 and template 2 both are using same data model or not, sir? Template 1 and template 2 both are using same data model or not? Due to this reason, we used to say our data model is reusable. But reusable within the report only, sir. Within the BIP report only. My BIP report is what, sir? From database is called as my BIP report. Under this BIP report, I can develop n number of templates using the data model. Under this from database, whatever data model I created, this data model I cannot utilize in another report, sir. You got my point, right? What is the scope of this data model, sir? Within the report is a scope. Within the report, n number of templates can utilize the data model. Within the report, n number of templates can utilize the data model. This also will changes in 11G. The data model is not reusable perfectly among all reports, right? Yes or no, sir? It is reusable among templates only. It is not reusable among reports. In case of 11G, it is reusable among reports. You got my point, right? It is reusable among templates here. There it is reusable among reports. That is the one feature which is added in the 11G. Okay, right. Now, in case of OBIEE, we have one concept. The concept is called as prompt concept, right? So in the top, we used to get some kind of prompt here. Whatever value I selected, that value corresponding data only I used to see. Suppose department name is the prompt column. Okay, if I selected here IT, only IT corresponding data I should get. Okay, if I select their marketing, only marketing corresponding data I should get. How to implement that kind of reports? We can implement very easily. For that, we need to understand next what, sir? Parameters and list of values. These two things are going to help you out. Next, put heading as note. Oh, sorry, note. In above report, from database, we created template 1, template 2, template 1 and template 2, template 1, template 2. Both are using same data model. 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 Same data model. Hence we can say data model is reusable. Data model is reusable. Data model is reusable among templates within the BIP report. 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 Within the BIP report. Perfect. Next, put it as list of values and parameters. Put it as list of values and parameters. List of values and parameters. Right. Subheading list of values. Subheading list of values. Subheading list of values. In the bracket you can write as LOVs. The brackets you can write as LOV. LOV stands for list of values. That is the reason some tables names are also available as W underscore LOV underscore D. That means what's a warehouse table, list of values, data, dimension table that is. Okay, it is a very famous table actually. Okay, right. Now, department name column, whatever values it contains, those all values I want to call, those all values of the column I can call it as what, sir? List of values. One column total data, I can call it as what, sir? List of values, right, sir? A group of values are called as list of values. A group of values are called as LOVs. Process. Go to BIP portal. Go to BIP portal. Navigate to B179 folder. Navigate to B179 folder. Click on from database BIP report object, edit button. Click on from database BIP report object, edit button. I am saying as this is our the B179. There I have the from database report object. Click on what, sir? Edit button. Click on edit button. Then select list of values. Select list of values. select list of values, click on new, click on new, click on new, click on new, name it as dname, dname LOVs, name it as dname LOVs. Under details, select second radio button. 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 Click on query builder. Click on query builder. Under details, select second radio button. By default, B179 only available, sir. That is the reason I am not giving that as a point. If you want, you can write it. Select B179 data source. Select B179 data source. Select schema. Sorry. Click on query builder. Click on query builder. Select schema as HR. Select schema as HR. Select schema as HR. Click on departments table. Click on departments table. Click on departments table. Select department name column. Select department name column. Click on save. Click on save. Again save. Click on save. Again save. Next. Put heading as parameter. Put heading as parameter. It is useful. It is useful. It is useful to pass user response to query. To pass, it is useful to pass user selection or response. User selection or response. User selection or response to SQL query. To SQL query. To SQL query process. Process. Under, sorry, in above report, 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 under report, click on parameters. Under report, click on parameters. Click on new. Click on new. Name it as PD name. Name it as PD name. Name it as PD name. Data type string. Data type string. Default value sales. Parameter type menu. parameter type menu, parameter type menu, list of values, dname LOVs, list of values, dname LOVs. So whatever previous step is, you developed the list of values that we are passing as input here. Yes or no, sir? Okay, that's the reason order is same order we need to write. List of values, dname LOVs, dname LOVs. Okay, select multiple selections, select multiple selections, select multiple selections, select all values passed, select all values passed, select all values passed. Click on HR data model. Click on HR data model. Click on HR data model. At the end of the SQL query, at the end of the SQL query, type, at the end of the SQL query, type, at the end of the SQL query, type, write that line, sir. And departments dot, at the end of the SQL query, type this total line. So whatever parameter we have, that parameter we are passing to the where clause. Suppose tomorrow user selected IT, means IT will come and sit here. Then IT corresponding result will be given by this data model. The syntax is called as bind parameter syntax, sir. The syntax is called as bind parameter syntax. Done? Sorry. External parameters means? Only bind. Okay. That is an SQL. In SQL language only will go. No. Bind parameters only it understands. Okay. Right. Completed. Next, click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Click on view. Click on view. Click on save. Click on view. Select marketing IT. Select marketing IT. Select marketing IT. Select marketing IT. What happened, sir? The data is not came. Sorry. Why are? So one thing is clear. It is somehow it is parameter is not passing properly. Let us go and see it. Where is the problem? HR data. I given here. PD name only my parameter name, right? PD name. Small syntax problem only, sir. Let me see it. This one is not a big deal. Let us check with the first single selection. The name LOVs we selected. Department name, okay. Yeah, this is a problematic case, sir. See here, somehow we given the parameter data type is what is given, sir? String I given actually. In our notes also if you see string I given. Somewhat scrolling and something is happened and it is converted into the date. Due to that reason it is not able to match it. So this is what the problematic guy. Let us make it as string. Okay. Now let us go and try to save this one. Now go to the HR data. No doubt it will work with the in also. Let us make it as in. Save. Then click on view. Then we are getting all the data. By default what I given, sir? Pass all values I given. Did you remember or not I given? Pass all values I given. That is the reason by default is passing. Sorry. By default sales I given. Default value is what, sir? Sales I given. So by default is showing as a sales. Then I am going for, let us say, marketing and IT. Click on view. We are seeing what's only marketing IT corresponding things. Let's see. Even the template 2 also same way. Template 2 view. We are seeing what's here? Marketing and IT corresponding these two things only. We are able to see it. Am I clear? Right. Right, sir. What is the last point? Click on marketing and IT. Select marketing and IT. Click on view. Select marketing and IT. Click on view. Click on view. Select marketing and IT. Click on view. Click on view. Observe output. Observe output. Observe output. Right. Next, development 2. Development 2. What is the development 2, sir? Using OBIEE report, right? Okay. Develop BAP report using OBIEE report. Using OBIEE report. Developing BAP report using OBIEE report. That's what our second development. Okay. Right. Step 1. Step 1. Creating OBIEE report. Creating OBIEE report. Step 1. Creating OBIEE report. What's our back? Weather is very cool. You're sleepy? No, right? I'm giving today a lot of punishment. A lot of handwork is there, right? Yes or no, sir? So no sleep will come. That's good. Okay. Step 1. Developing OBIEE report. Open Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer. Type HTTP localhost 9704 analytics username as administrator username as administrator password as administrator username as administrator and password as administrator login click on answers click on answers under subject areas click on supplier sales click on supplier sales click on supplier sales click on supplier sales click on year comma region comma click on year comma region comma dollars column click on year comma region comma dollars column click on results click on save click on results click on save select shared folders click on create folder click on create folder name it as B179 name it as B179 okay give the name as BIP source report. We are going to use BIP source. That is the reason I am giving as a BIP source report. Sorry, BIP only. For BIP report, I am going to use OBIEE report as a source, right? OBIEE report I am going to use as a source for BIP. Okay, right. Okay. Now, step 1 is completed. We created one OBIEE report. Step 2. Then step 1 is what, sir? Creating data model. Step 2 is what, sir? Developing the templates directly, right? Similarly, here also, step 1 is completed. OBIEE report we developed. That means our data model is completed. So step 2 is what, sir? Templates you need to develop, right, sir? Step 2. Developing BIP templates. But as of now, BIP report object also not there. Yes or no, sir? If you go and see in our B179 of BIP portal. BIP portal is where, sir? In the BIP portal of the shared folder B179, do I have the any object? No. But in runtime, that object is coming and storing here. I will show you how it stores. Am I clear? Right. Right, that one, sir. Open any MS Word. Open MS Word. add-ins, Oracle OBIEE Publisher, log on, open MS Word, add-ins, Oracle OBIEE Publisher, log on, username, administrator, password, administrator, login, username, administrator, password, administrator, login, login. In open template window, in open template window, in open template window, select workspace as, select workspace as, select workspace as, what's that? Oracle OBIEE, select workspace as Oracle OBIEE, expand shade, expand B179, sorry, expand shade, select B179, expand shade, select B179, and whatever in step 1 develop the report, the report is appearing or not, sir? The report is appearing, right? Select B179, select BIP source report, select BIP source report, double click on it, double click on it, double click on it. So what this window is saying, sir? Save as Oracle OBIEE Publisher report. That means in OBIEE whatever report is available, that report we are saving as what, sir? BIP report, right? In save as Oracle OBIEE Publisher report window, in save as Oracle OBIEE Publisher report window, expand shared folders, select B179, in save as Oracle OBIEE Publisher report window, in save as Oracle OBIEE Publisher report window, expand shared folders, expand shared folders, select B179 folder window, sorry, B179 folder, expand shared folder, select B179 folder, click on save, click on save, click on save. So what might be happening is here, if you see here carefully, let us go for the BIP portal, just go one step back to the shared folder and come again to the B179. You can notice here what happens, sir. BIP source report is created here. When it is created, sir, 6:23, 8:58 AM. That is now or not, sir? It is time is what, sir? 8:59. That means just before. Okay, right. What you did is, as of now, you created the BIP report. We created BIP report by default. What is the format is available, sir? Click on view this one. Again view. We are able to see what, sir? XML data. This XML data, if you want to make user understanding format, means I need to develop templates or not? I need to develop the templates. Am I clear? Right. Go to the insert menu. Go to the insert menu of the MS Word. Go to the insert menu of the MS Word. Go to the insert menu. Go to the insert menu in MS Word, sir. Go to the insert menu in MS Word. Don't confuse here. We are not going to use MS Word insert menu, sir. Within the BIP, whatever insert is available, that one will use it. Okay? Right. Click on table wizard. Click on table wizard. Click on next. Again next. Click on double arrow mark. Click on double arrow mark. Click on finish. Click on finish. Go to the Oracle OBIEE Publisher menu. Go to Oracle OBIEE Publisher menu. Upload template as. Upload template as. Upload template as. It's asking to save in the rich text format. Click on OK. Click on save. In overriding, it may ask, it may not ask in our case. Okay, I'm not giving as a notes is this one. I'm clicking on yes. Give the name as temp1. Okay. Give the name as temp1. Okay. Again okay. Again okay. Go to BIP portal. Go to BIP portal. Go to BIP portal. Navigate to B179 folder. Navigate to B179 folder. Navigate to B179 folder. Under BIP source report. Under BIP source report. Under BIP source report. Click on view. Click on view. Click on view. Click on view. Observe output. Observe output. Okay. Down the line, if you want to add for this also, for this one, any list of values, parameters, how to add, sir? These things we need to, we are taking the source as what, sir? OBIEE report, right? Report level only, we need to add this list of values or parameters. Okay, why? Because if you see here, properly, it is going for what, sir? Source is what, sir? Oracle OBIEE answers, not the SQL query. So directly it is hitting the Oracle OBIEE answer, it is giving. Okay, even I can develop the BIP object, a data model using what, sir? Oracle OBIEE answer, I can point out that one. Previously, whatever process I did, instead of that process, what I can do, sir? I can create the data model. Instead of SQL query, what I can select here, sir? Oracle OBIEE answers, and I can select here report object, and I can go forward. You got my point, what I'm trying to say? Okay, right. Okay, next, development 3. Sorry? Report level. Report level, we need to provide the, OBIEE report level only. Yeah. OBIEE report level, we need to give the prompts or reports, whatever you want. Next, development 3. Developing BIP report using subject area. Developing BIP reports using subject area. Using subject area. Calling. Correct. OBIEE report we are trying to see using BIP. Using BIP, yeah. To get some kind of pixel formatting we are getting. Okay, we are getting some pixel formatting layout we are getting over there. That's it. Apart from that one, nothing. Okay, well, that is the reason only whatever possible in BIP, most of our things are possible in our OBIEE only. Hence, we won't use BIP that much of projects. Okay, but due to the license issues and all, some people OBIEE product license is costly, sir. Okay, BIP is cheaper. If it is a small reports, only 10 or 20 reports you want to develop, why to purchase entire OBIEE? They will purchase only what, sir? BIP, and they will develop the reports and they will progress it. Okay, if you want, let us say, everything you want, then you can go for the OBIEE as well as BAP, everything you can go for it. Okay, right. Next, development 3, developing BAP reports using subject area. Using subject area. Right. Step 1, creating data model. Step 1, creating data model. Step 1, creating data model. Creating data model. Creating data model. Another half an hour, sir. Okay, we'll go for break. Don't worry. Okay, another half an hour. We're going to finish the BAP 10G. Okay, after the break, we'll go for the BAP 11G. That's what my plan. Okay, right. After an hour. Hungry is health for health. Good for health. Right. Navigate to B179 folder. Navigate to B179 folder. Navigate to B179 folder. Under folder and report tasks. Under folder and report tasks. Under folder and report tasks. Click on create a new report. Click on create a new report. Name it as from SA. From SA. From SA. Click on create. Click on create. Click on create. Under from SA, click on edit. Under from SA, click on edit. Under from SA, click on edit. Click on edit. Select data model. Select data model. Click on new. Select data model. Click on new. Click on new. Name it as from SA. Name it as from SA. Type SQL query. Type SQL query. Type SQL query. Under details, select second radio button. Select second radio button. Select second radio button. Select second radio button. Select Oracle BIEE. This is the only change which will occurs from other report to this report, sir. Okay, apart from this one, remaining story is same story. Only one change is what, sir? We need to select your source as Oracle BIEE is a source. Oracle BIEE is a source. Select second radio button. Select second radio button. Select data source as Oracle BIEE. Select data source as Oracle BIEE. Oracle BIEE. Click on query builder. Click on query builder. Click on query builder. Click on query builder. See, sir, what are the things we got here? Supplier sales and supplier sales DM we got. Why? Because if you go and see your RPD, let us say administration tool, in reports underscore dashboards RPD, we have only two things are available. If you go for the file menu, open, online, then username is administrator, password is administrator, open. We are seeing what are the two subject areas, sir. One is supplier sales, second is supplier sales DM. These are the two things what we are seeing here. These are the two things what we are seeing here. Okay, that is the reason in the front end also we are seeing what, sir? Only two things, supplier sales and supplier sales DM, we are seeing it. Supplier sales and supplier sales DM, we are seeing it. Now I am selecting a supplier sales. Then click on customers, sales facts. Click on customers and sales facts. Click on customers and sales facts. Customers and sales facts. Select region and dollars column. Select region and dollars column. Select region and dollars column. Do I require to give the joins here? Anyhow, we are taking presentation layer as input, we are taking, right? Already in BMM layer, physical layer, we have the joins and everything is available. Place. Just move forward, sir. No place, backend. Okay. Come with chairs, sir, if you want. Okay, region and dollars. Select region and dollars. Select region and dollars. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Select region and dollars. Click on save. Again save. Click on region and dollars. Click on save. Again save. What happened? Click on save. Again save. Okay. Next. Click on view. Again view. Click on view. Again view. Click on view. Again view. Okay, with this we complete what, sir? Creating data model. Next is what, sir? We need to create the template. Step 2. Creating template. As for first development, step 2, please do this also. As for first development, step 2, please do this one. So you need to follow same notes whatever available, but only the names you need to change. Okay, right. Next, put heading as integrating BIP report in OBIEE dashboard. 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 Step 1, creating dashboard. Creating OBIEE dashboard. Step 1, creating OBIEE dashboard. Step 1, creating OBIEE dashboard. Open Analytics portal. Open Analytics portal. Open Analytics portal. Open Analytics portal. Click on settings. Click on settings. Click on settings. Click on administration. Click on settings. Click on administration. Click on administration. Click on administration. Click on Manage Interactive Dashboards. 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 Click on Create Dashboard. Click on Create Dashboard. Click on Create Dashboard. Provide dashboard name as Provide dashboard name as DB1. Provide dashboard name as DB1. Provide dashboard name as DB1. DB1. Click on Finished. Click on Finished. Click on Finished. Again Finished. Close window. Click on Finished. Again Finished. Close window. Close window. Click on Dashboards link. Click on Dashboards link. Click on DB1 dashboard. Click on Dashboards link. Click on DB1 dashboard. Click on Dashboards link. Click on DB1 dashboard. Click on DB1 dashboard. This is what, sir? An empty dashboard page. Click here to add content, right? Okay. Click on Page Options, Edit Dashboard. Click on Page Options, Edit Dashboard. Click on Page Options, Edit Dashboard. Edit Dashboard. Okay. Now see here, if OBIEE reports are available, already we download one OBIEE report. What is the report, sir? Today only we download one OBIEE report. What is the report name? BIP source report we developed, right? If that report is available, that report directly I can access from shared BIP source report. I can access and I can drag and drop here. I can save it and I can run it also. I can see that report output. If BIP report I want to integrate here, is it BIP reports are available here, sir? BIP reports are not at all available here. If I want to integrate, then I require one separate object. That object is what, sir? BA Publisher report object is required. Actually, what is the backend process is happening is, if people already knows one point, OBIEE reports and dashboards are storing in one location. That location is what, sir? OBIEE reports and dashboards are storing in one location. That location name is what, sir? Everyone? Web catalog, right? So, whereas BIP reports are not saving in web catalog, sir. It separately it is maintained. Separately it is maintained. If you want, I can show you. If you go back and start my computer, then yesterday we have noticed there D drive, then Oracle BI data. Inside the Oracle BI data, web. Inside the web, what, sir? Catalog is available. In the catalog we are storing here. Yesterday we only created the B180 catalog. Whatever you saved, I think it will be available under this only. Shared, what, sir? B179. This report is available. BIP source report. You developed BIP reports, 3 reports you developed, right? Till this point of time. The 3 reports, where it is available, sir? The reports are available in separate location. If you go for D drive, Oracle BI, XMLP folder, again XMLP folder, there I have the reports, then I have here B179, this is what reports are available. Okay, from database we created, this is what the your RTF file, list format file, one template builder. Second is what, sir? Second template builder. We created 2 templates we created, right? That is the reason 2 things are available. So whatever you are doing, that things are available but separately tracking in one folder, what, sir? XMLP folder. That is the reason directly whatever in the dashboard is showing to you, this is what, sir, it is accessing from the web catalog, it is accessing. In the web catalog, these are not available. If you want to integrate BIP report, you need to take help of what, sir? BA Publisher report, dashboard object help, you need to take it. Am I clear? Okay. Now, right, sir. Click on page options, edit dashboard. Drag and drop BA Publisher report. 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 BA Publisher report. Next, click on BA Publisher report properties. Click on BA Publisher report properties. Click on BA Publisher report dashboard object properties. This is called as dashboard object. This is called as, sir, dashboard object. Click on BA Publisher report dashboard object properties. Properties. Okay. Click on browse. Click on browse. Click on browse. It is showing what, sir? These all things are coming from XMLP folder. These all things are coming. From there we have B179. These all reports what we develop. Whatever report you want, you can select that one. Okay, right. Select from BIP source report. What do you do, sir? Click on browse. Expand shared folders. Expand B179. Expand shared folders. Expand B179. Expand source shared folder. Expand B179. Select BIP source report. Click on OK. Again OK. Click on save. Click on save. Observe output. Did you notice any difference between OBIEE report and BIP report, sir? Both I placed in single thing. So see which one will be clarity wise, which one is good, looking good, sir? Huh? BIP or OBIEE? OBIEE or BIP? BIP, right? This is pixel formatting, sir. You know what is pixel, right? Okay. Printing, if you take in the printout of this one, this will come in good format than that one. Okay, that is the only reason why some people are going for the BIP. If you want to go for some kind of presentations to the client, someone, then preferable is BIP is preferable one on pixel formatting. But nowadays everyone is happy with the OBIEE only. Okay, bit of pixel formatting is not a matter for them. And no one is taking the printouts also nowadays. Everyone is maintaining the tabs and all, and they are playing around it, right? So that is the reason usage of the BIP is decreased like anything. Am I clear? Right. Okay. Next point. Next heading. Deployment. 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 Copying your work from development to test. Copying your work from development to test or testing to production is called as deployment. Or testing to production is called as deployment. Is called as deployment. Production. Testing to production is called as deployment. Deployment. Okay. Right. Process. Process. First point. Take backup of take backup of source and target environments XMLP folders. Take backup of source and target XMLP folders. XMLP folders. Next point. Second point. Go to Oracle BI. Go to Oracle BI folder. Go to Oracle BI folder. Copy XMLP folder. Copy XMLP folder and paste into target environment Oracle BI folder. 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 So from here to there we are moving, sir. Okay, right? Have a good breakfast. Meanwhile, I also restart my system. So I will start the Bip 11G. Okay, after the break we are going for the Bip 11G. Have a good breakfast. Okay, sorry. I will tell you in the levels. Online folks, you also can take break of 20 minutes, and also your connection will be lost. Why? Because I am going to restart my mission. Please try to connect same link after few minutes. Thank you.